You're welcome to this little coding tutorial for Christmas. This project is inspired by our AI and STEM education teaching units that use visual programming software and machine learning to introduce students to the concepts of machine learning and to familiarize them with some basic coding. We use PictoBlox, which is modeled or based on Scratch. And this is the download version, so you can download it and use it offline. And the advantage of PictoBlox is that it already includes a machine learning environment. So we will use the machine learning environment integrated into the PictoBlox software and the text-to-speech function that we will also need for our little project. So the machine learning environment, if we open it, allows you to classify images. And so for this particular project, we will create a new project and call it Merry Christmas. We will classify images that are typical for Christmas. So, for example, we collected and saved images that show Christmas decoration or little Santa Clauses or gift wrappings. So we save them. You can also have your students, make cookies, photograph them, photograph their own Christmas decorations at home. So you would need about 20 pictures for your model that you upload to the program. So here you see our choice of Christmas pictures, and we do the same thing for a second class, and we chose to contrast it with summer pictures for summer holidays. So that would be, for example, beach or ice cream or sunflower pictures. So whatever comes to mind, which is like a nice contrast to the winter pictures of the Christmas theme. So you upload 20 pictures, 20 images for the second class, and now you train your model. So this will take a moment. It's of course important to have good images with clear colors that differentiate well. So here you already see the model accuracy is moderate. Of course, the more images you have, the better the training. You can now test this by using maybe save 10 pictures that have similar motifs, and you upload the test pictures, and we see from the training that the model has gone through that it recognizes sunflowers with 100% accuracy as a summer picture. So then you export that model as a block, because we want to use the block programming, and now it's available for you to use in your programming interface. So this takes a moment to load, and so now in your machine learning environment blocks, you have analyze image and identify class, Christmas and summer holidays. So now we can also customize our little program a bit. For example, we could change this little actor and upload our own little figurine. So this is the robot from the AI and STEM illustrations that we want to use. And you could also customize and choose specific sounds from the sound library, for example, that would be fitting maybe a splash of water for the summer. Or you could also record, you could sing a little jingle bells and upload that. So there's these options, and we also need our backdrops. And these backdrops are 10 pictures from our test data set, so 10 different images from summer and Christmas that we will upload so that they can be shown on what is called the stage here. Okay, so we will now write our little program that will have our robot determine whether it sees a Christmas or a summer picture, and it will say so. So for that we need our machine learning environment blocks, the text-to-speech, and of course when we click on the green flag, we want to first go to the little robot here, which the position is already automatically inserted, and we want the language to be set to English in our example, but you can also have many different languages to use here. So what we want 10 times, because we have 10 test images to be run through, 10 times we want to repeat the following step. We want to switch the backdrop to a random picture, and we want to analyze this, what is shown on the stage. And then what happens if the analysis identifies the image as a Christmas image? We want to say, not maybe hello, but Merry Christmas. And if we want to have a special sound played here, maybe the Jingle Bells jingle or something related, we can also insert it, or we can also have a speech bubble displayed that says Merry Christmas as well. So let's duplicate this, but you can also build it anew. If the image is recognized as the summer image, then we want the figurine to say, enjoy your summer. So let's see. This is already our little program. Let's see if the robot has learned to differentiate the images well. Let's click on the green flag.
Merry Christmas. Enjoy your summer. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your summer. Enjoy your summer. Merry Christmas.
Okay, so that works quite nicely. There will of course be also mistakes based on our very small data sets for training and testing. But so you can choose the classes that you want to work with here. You can adapt it a little. So this is a nice little project for a Christmas class, and I hope you will enjoy it and check our AI and STEM education material for more inspiration on how to use these projects in class. Merry Christmas!